This video is to create the anti-cyberbullying video. First, what you're going to do is you're going to go to wevideo.com and then you're going to click Login in the top right corner. From here, you're going to click Login with Google. Next, you're going to click Create New. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to click the A with the orange dot above it, kind of toward the top left corner. Then click on Static Titles. And then you're going to see one titled Text, and you're going to click and drag that to go into Video 2. Then you're going to click on it, and you're going to put your pointer on the 3 lines that appear above it, and then you're going to click the pencil that appears above it. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to type in your title and your name. So you're going to click where it says sample text and just hit backspace. You're going to click at the end of it and then hit backspace until you erase where it says sample text. And then you're going to type in something similar to this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click and drag the blue circle next to size over to the left until you can see your whole title, because it ended up being too big at first. Click on Done Editing. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to add another text box to go after the first text box. And then you're going to click on it once, and then again put your pointer on the 3 lines and then click the pencil that appears above it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to erase the sample text. So you're going to go ahead and click after the word text and then hit backspace until it's all erased. And then you're going to type in something like this. So you want to tell what cyberbullying is. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click and drag the circle for the size so that we can see the whole entire thing. So there we go. Now it's a smaller size. Click on Done Editing. And next what we're going to do is we're going to start adding some background to it. So we're going to click on this button right here. And we're going to choose a background. So we've got lots of different backgrounds that you can use. You can scroll through and choose one that you'd like to use. So for example, I'm going to click and drag this one, and you're going to click and drag it to go into video 1. Next, what you're going to do is click on it and then put your pointer at the edge of it so that you see a 2-sided arrow. And you're going to click and drag so that it's as long as your 2 text clips. And then next what we're going to do is we're going to add another text box. So what you're going to do is click on the A again, click and drag a text box to go into video 2. Click on the text box you just added, click on the 3 lines, and then click on the pencil. And then what you're going to do is hit backspace again to erase the sample text. And then you're going to type what we see here. If you were cyberbullied, always tell an adult. And we're going to click and drag the size to the left again, because we can see we don't see the entire text box. So there we go. Now click on Done Editing. And you're going to click and drag another text box down here. Click on the text box that you just added, put your pointer on 3 lines, and then click on the pencil that appears above it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add some more text that tells what to do if you're cyberbullied. So you're going to click where it says sample text and hit backspace again until it disappears. And then you're going to type in this. If you know someone who's being cyberbullied, also tell an adult. And then you're going to click and drag the size circle to the left so that we can see the whole thing. And then click on Done Editing. And next what we're going to do is add another background. So we're going to click on the backgrounds button again and choose a background. So you're just going to click and drag the background to go into video 1. Then what you're going to do is click on it once, and you'll put your pointer at the end until you see the two-sided arrow, and click and drag it to end at the same time as your text boxes. Next, what we're going to do is add some more text. So we're going to click on the A, click and drag a text box to go after the last text box. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on that last text box and click on the 3 lines that appear above it. Click on the pencil, and then you're going to hit backspace again to get rid of the sample text. And then you're going to type this: many apps and websites have ways to report cyberbullies. You're going to click and drag the size again to make it small enough so that we can see it over here. Click Done Editing. And then we're going to add our last text box. So we're going to click and drag the text box right here. Click on it once, put your pointer on the 3 lines, and click on the pencil. And then we're going to hit backspace to erase the sample text. And you're going to type this: always report cyberbullies to the owner of an app or website. Again, you're going to click and drag the size to make it small enough so that we can see it here. Click on Done Editing. And then last, we're going to add some background. So we're going to click on that button again, and then you're going to choose a background and click and drag it into video 1. Click on it once, and then you want to make sure, put your pointer at the end when you see the two-sided arrow, and you want to make sure that it ends at the same time as your text boxes. And so now if we click and drag this blue playhead to the beginning and we hit play, we'll see our guide with some animated backgrounds. And what it'll do is it'll play through everything that you typed. And that's it.